Water dripping system for plants. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very simple yet highly effective way to keep your plants healthy and properly watered, the water dripping system for plants. If you often struggle with maintaining a regular watering routine, or if your plants dry out when you are busy or away, then this method can be a complete game changer for you. So, let's get started. First of all, what is a water dripping system? A water dripping system is a method in which water is delivered slowly, drop by drop, directly to the soil near the roots of the plant. Unlike traditional watering, where a large amount of water is poured all at once, this system provides a steady and controlled supply of moisture. This helps the soil stay consistently moist, which is exactly what most plants need. Now you might be wondering, why is this method so effective? The answer lies in how plants absorb water. Plants do not need a sudden flood of water. Instead, they prefer a slow and steady supply. When water is given gradually, it penetrates deeper into the soil and reaches the roots more effectively. This not only improves plant health, but also reduces water wastage. Another important benefit of a water dripping system is convenience. You don't have to water your plants multiple times a day. Once the system is set up, it can continue to provide water automatically for hours or even days, depending on the setup. Now, let's talk about how you can create a simple water dripping system at home. The easiest method is using a plastic bottle. Take a clean plastic bottle and make a very small hole in the cap using a needle or pin. Fill the bottle with water and place it upside down into the soil near your plant. Make sure the hole is small so that water drips slowly instead of flowing out quickly. This method is perfect for small pots and indoor plants. Another simple method is using a cotton wick. Take a container filled with water and place it slightly above the level of your plant pot. Now take a cotton rope or a thick thread and place one end inside the water container and the other end in the soil. The water will slowly travel through the wick and keep the soil moist. This method is especially useful if you are going away for a few days. For larger setups, you can use pipes or tubes with small holes. Connect the pipe to a water source and place it along your row of plants. Make small holes near each plant so that water drips slowly. This method works very well for terrace gardens and outdoor spaces. Now, let's talk about how to control the water flow. Controlling the speed of dripping is very important. If the water flows too fast, it can lead to overwatering. If it flows too slow, the plant may not get enough moisture. You can adjust the size of the hole or the position of the bottle to control the flow. Always test your system before leaving it for long periods. Now here are some important tips to make your water dripping system more effective. Always use clean water to prevent clogging. Check the holes regularly to make sure they are not blocked. Observe your plants and soil condition. The soil should feel slightly moist, not completely dry, and not too wet. Also, consider adding mulch on top of the soil. Materials like dry leaves, cocoa peat, or straw help retain moisture and improve the efficiency of the system. Now, let's talk about which plants benefit the most from this system. This method is ideal for indoor plants, small pots, and delicate plants that need consistent moisture. It is also great for vegetables like tomatoes, chilies, and cucumbers. Herbs like mint, basil, and coriander also respond very well to steady watering. Even flowering plants can benefit, as consistent moisture supports better blooming. To summarize, a water dripping system is a simple, cost-effective, and efficient way to keep your plants hydrated. It saves time, reduces water waste, and ensures your plants receive a steady supply of moisture. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, this method can make your plant care routine much easier. Gardening should be relaxing, not stressful. And with simple techniques like this, you can enjoy healthy and thriving plants without too much effort. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!